3D modeling is very important in design, as it allows engineers to analyze and make all necessary corrections using a virtual prototype. After the approval of the 3D model, it is necessary to create the sheets with the views of the project, so that it is correctly manufactured. This is what we will learn in this module, working in the drawing environment. In this class we will make the basic definitions for the breakdown of the project, creating it from the part file. Come on, let's go. First open the axis available in the files of this class. In the part environment we click on the menu file, Make Drawing from Part. Using the standard template, SolidWorks prompts us to define the size of the sheet and its format. We can choose one of the options, or customize, by enabling this option and entering the desired sheet size. Because we want to do this breakdown on the render custom sheet, we cancel and close this file without saving the changes. In the File, New menu we click on Advanced. We chose the render template and confirmed it. The render template is available in the files of this class, and so that you can select it in SolidWorks, first save it to your computer. Then go to the menu Tools, Options, System Options, File Locations. For the Document Templates option, click Add, locate the folder where the custom template is located and click OK. Confirm the window and you will now be able to access the custom template in SolidWorks. See that axis views are not available automatically, so we go back to the 3D file and click on File, Make Drawing from Part again. We chose the template and see that we can now easily insert views from the task pane. Just click on the desired view, in our case the right view, hold the click and drag it with the mouse to the sheet, releasing the click to position it. Moving the mouse to the right, see that we have the side view displayed and click to position it. Moving down, we get the top view and click to position it. We will also insert the isometric view by moving the mouse on the upper right diagonal. Since we do not want to enter any more views, we confirm the command. Note that the isometric view is outside the sheet, and to reposition it, simply position the mouse over the edges of the dotted box until the symbol to move appears. Then just click, hold the click and drag the view to the desired location. See that an alignment was created between the inserted views, controlled by the first view we inserted. This alignment can be broken or modified by right-clicking on the view and choosing the alignment option. Note that we have several options and we will break the alignment by clicking on Break Alignment. See that we can now move the side view freely. To align again, we perform the same procedure and choose the desired option, in this case, Align Horizontal by Center. See that the mouse cursor changes and that we should select a view to serve as a reference to alignment. We click on the view shown and note that the side view has been aligned again. Note that the top view is equal to the right view, except for the tier to the key, which is shown in the top view. In this way, we will delete the right view by clicking on it and typing Delete on the keyboard. A confirmation box appears, where we click Yes. Okay, the view's been deleted, and now we've repositioned and lined up the rest. Pressing the F key on the keyboard, see that the sheet is adjusted in the graphic area. To edit the sheet, we right-click and choose the option Edit Sheet Format, which allows you to resize the caption and modify its data. To exit this issue, we click again with the right mouse button and click Edit Sheet. To modify the size of the sheet and other properties, we click with the right mouse button and choose the option Properties. We have another way of inserting the views, which is using the command Model View, located in the toolbar View Layout. Note that the template for which we created the breakdown sheet is listed. We click on Next, and on this tab we can define the view to insert and its properties, for example, style and scale. We select the isometric view and enable Preview. Note that the preview of the view is shown and that we can position it over the sheet with a mouse click. Since we already have this view on the sheet, let's erase it. By clicking on any view, we can change its properties in the Property Manager. We finished this lesson, where we saw how to start the detailing of a piece by choosing the template and adding the views.